Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Beta, as we know that we have completed our first prose chapter, Tom Sawyer. From the poetry section, we have also completed one chapter, The Mountain and the Squirrel. And from the supplementary reader, also we have completed one chapter, Gandhiji and a Coffee Drinker. So today I am going to proceed my class, and today I am going to start a new chapter from the prose section. So this is your chapter number 2 of prose section. I am going to give you a small introduction of your this chapter, and later on I will also deal in question and the answer and the all exercise questions. Okay, now listen. Kabuliwala, as you can see here, Kabuliwala is a beautiful story written by Ravindranath Tagore. This story is about a 5-year-old girl who develops a strong bond of friendship with Kabuliwala. Kabuliwala is an Afghan fruit seller who used to sell dry fruits in that small girl whose name was Minnie. Okay, so actually he was a street vendor who used to sell dry fruits in Minnie's street or mohalla, you can say. Kabuliwala treats her as his own daughter, as he remembers his daughter who is living in Kabul, Afghanistan. काबुलीवाला की भी एक छोटी सी बेटी रहती है, बिकॉज काबुलीवाला जो रहने वाला रहता है वो एक्चुअली वो अफ़गानिस्तान का रहने वाला रहता है, और वो कोलकाता इसलिए आता है जहाँ पे मिनी रहती है, क्योंकि अपनी रोज़ी रोटी चलाने के लिए उसे कुछ तो काम करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट इज़ वाई ही हैज़ टू मूव वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. सो द काबुलीवाला finds shadow of his daughter in Minnie's face, and that is why Kabuliwala treats Minnie as his own daughter. Kabuliwala gives Minnie lots of dry fruits, grapes, walnuts, and tries to win her heart. और उसके दिल को जीतना चाहता है, उससे दोस्ती करना चाहता है. He wants to do friendship with a small chatty girl. What is the meaning of chatty or the chatterbox? A person who talks too much. Okay, तो मिनी भी जो रहती है, she is very talkative girl. She is very cute, but moreover she is very talkative. She cannot stop even for a single minute. You can imagine, as you do in the class. Now see, listen the next story here. What happens? In order to earn his livelihood, he had to come to another place, so he was not able to see much of his family and daughter. What happens one day? He commits some murder. When he is not paid due amount for the purchase of a mat. Actually, he used to sell dry fruits as well as mat. And Kabuliwala was sent to jail for many years because he did murder of one person, because the person was not ready to give him amount for the purchase of a mat. And it was a very long time. But finally, he was released from, he was set free from the jail. He came out from the jail. And when he is released, he goes to meet the girl house, Minnie. He wants to meet Minnie. And what does he find there? He finds that she is being married. Seeing him, He became emotional and cried. Minnie's father understood everything. Minnie's father unders- understood the situation and gives him some money so that he can go back to his own country to meet his daughter. So in this way we can say that the story is very heart touching as it shows the emotion of a father and a different kind of friendship. So this was all about the small introduction or the short summary of this chapter. Later on, we will delve in question and answer of this chapter. Thank you very much, class.